Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Iodine stains cell walls and glycogen, increasing contrast under light microscopes. When you place a drop of 1% Lugol solution or gram iodine on a prepared smear, the dye interacts with polysaccharides and proteins to darken internal and surface structures. A 1% Lugol solution or gram iodine is common for rapid staining. This approach enhances visibility at low magnification and is inexpensive and fast. Staining with iodine takes seconds to minutes and preserves cell shape for viewing, making it useful for teaching labs and quick clinical screens where morphology matters. Iodine is a mordant in gram staining, helping crystal violet bind to peptidoglycan. In the full gram protocol, iodine forms a complex with crystal violet that becomes trapped in thick peptidoglycan layers. Gram-positive cells retain stain and appear purple, while gram-negative counterstains appear pink after decolorization and safranin. For simple microscopy, iodine alone improves visibility, but does not differentiate cell wall types, so you cannot rely on iodine by itself to identify gram status. Choose gram staining when classification between gram-positive and gram-negative is required. Live cell imaging prefers phase contrast or fluorescent stains instead of iodine to avoid killing cells. Iodine fixes or damages membranes in many species, so consider alternatives when tracking motility or viability. Iodine can kill or alter bacteria, so it is not ideal for viability studies and should be reserved for morphology or rapid identification. For routine observation of bacteria stained with iodine, use 40x to 100x oil immersion and adequate lighting to resolve stained bacteria around 0.5 to 2 micrometers, and always include controls to interpret staining artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.